Hello, today we will be talking about parts of a fish. These are some of the parts that we will be going over: the fin, the gills, the eyes, the mouth, the nostrils, and the scales. So, right here is the gills of a fish. This helps them to breathe. So, they suck water through their mouth and breathe it out through their gills. Now, the mouth on a fish is also very important. This can give you a clue to a fish's diet. Fish with large mouths eat whole or large chunks of fish. Fish with smaller mouths nibble on plants and small animals, and only some fish have teeth, not all of them. This is the eye of the fish. The eye of the fish is very interesting because they have no eyelids. This means that the fish's eyes stay open all the time. Also, fish have very good eyesight to see in dark waters. They need this good eyesight to see their food. Scales on a fish help protect them from injuries like sharp rocks or maybe from a predator that is just not as strong as they are. Fish scales also have a slimy covering to help them swim through the water without drag. So, like I said before, fish have gills to help them breathe. Why do fish have nostrils? So, if fish can breathe through their mouth and out through their gills, why would we need a fish to have nostrils? Well, fish sniff the water coming through their nostrils to detect chemicals in the water, which can help them avoid predators, locate mates, and also direct their migration. This is a fancy fin, like I call it. Lots of fish have many shapes and sizes to their fins, and the purpose of a fin is to help the fish move. Fish are vertebrates. That means that they have bones in their body. Fish also have closed circulatory systems. And guess what? Humans and fish share this same trait.